Oh,
Come in.
there's not enough room.
Come in, Daddy.
That's only for little kids. I'm too big. Is it fun though?
Well, those balls, they slide around. What color are those? I blew it up for you.
Huh?
I blew it up for you already.
Hey, come in, Bill.
Come in. I can't come in. Don't fit. See?
Daddy, now. Now.
Escaped. I got it.
Hey Will, look at me.
I got it.
Hey Will, look at me. You having fun?
Yeah.
Say thank you, Adam. Say thank you, Giselle. They got you those balls.
Where are you going?
It's raining. Stop it.
Stop it. Oh, get it! It's escaping! No! It's escaping! You got it? Where is it? On the other side.
Your daddy's out.
She doesn't want to get in. Can you catch him? Catch. You didn't catch it.
Need a yellow one?
Yellow one? I have a yellow one.
This is mine.
You're gonna have it's yours.
I said, yeah, mine's.
One more time.
Here. Is that back?
I'm gonna blow it up more for you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, so it's gonna help.
Awesome.
Here,
You play the balls there.
Come on, Rocky. Come on, the ball. I'm gonna pick. This one. Take it out.
Come on out. She doesn't like the balls.
Huh? I ain't like the balls.
She doesn't like the balls.
No.
No, she'll just watch you.
Put up.
It's already blown up. Good job.
Pull up.
Throw it up high.
How high can we throw it?
Please.
Watch. Pull it out. Watch. Wait. Watch. There you blow it up. Nice job. Can I blow it up for you?
Apple.
Okay. Go hard.
Apple up.
Nice job. Keep going. You need more hot air. Keep blowing.
Blow it.
Blow it. Help, please.